Hey everyone, this is Dan and this is episode 10. So for this video, I want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind, and I feel like this video has been overdue for many reasons. I figured that right now would be a great time to have this conversation with you regarding your exterior paint protection. Now, from the dealership standpoint, they offer something called an appearance protection package, and I don't want to say that it's good or bad. I just want to say to you personally, as the buyer, to give us some more consideration, to think this one through. The most common thing that I see as a detailer is that my clients will go out and look for a brand new vehicle and they'll ask me about these packages that the dealerships do offer. And I give them my thoughts on the matter. And at the end of the day, sometimes they end up going with what is cheaper to them. And if you're buying a brand new vehicle, the last thing you want to do is spend thousands more on top of it. And I completely get that concept and the idea. But what we don't realize is that later down the line, if you do end up getting one of these packages, you may realize that you don't understand fully what you got yourself into. Or you may realize later on that there are better options out there. And one of those options, in my own personal experience, would be considering something like a ceramic coating. Now, again, as a detailer, I will be the first one to admit that I can't compete on pricing. But if you want to have the job done correctly, the cost of a ceramic coating is correct. And many times you'll see that in the thousands of dollars range, or even hundreds of dollars. I guess it just depends on who you are seeing as your detailer. Now, in my case, I have an entry-level ceramic coating that costs $549, and I have my premium ceramic coating starting at $1,599, and that's the pricing that I have as of the moment of the recording of this video. But with those numbers in mind, I know that it goes well above the cost of what some of these options may be. But the admonition that I have for people is, if you are going to get the protection done through the dealership, if they can't explain to you in detail what the benefits and the features are, but also if they can't explain to you in detail exactly what you're getting yourself into, as well as how to maintain the vehicle after the fact, then I would say err on the side of caution. That may be a red flag. I know it is for me, and it's probably not going to be a service that you want done to your vehicle. And that's the reason why I would strongly recommend going to someone who actually specializes in paint protection for vehicles. In this case, to go see your detailer or talk to someone like myself. But with that being said, the point is, know what you're getting yourself into, understand what it entails, and look into your options if something doesn't seem like it's making sense to you. Well, that's it for this video. I wanted to just, like I said, hop on and share my thoughts on this matter before you buy your next vehicle, your brand new vehicle. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to talk about, please reach out to me and leave a comment down below. And perhaps in a future video, I can expand on this thought. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for listening and joining in. And this is Dan signing off. Take care.